The key price level indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and run it on your charts. Traders can also refer to this page to learn how the indicator works. We select the indicator file from the navigation bar and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Just make sure to activate the Allo Deal option from the command section AUK and then click the Confirm option. When the indicator is placed on the chart, it starts drawing trend lines on the price chart. This indicator displays price lines with significance on the chart. These lines are usually trend lines, and we can use these lines as support lines or resistance lines. Use it, and you will likely see a price reaction when the price hits this level. Price action traders can easily identify high stakes levels and price reactions using this indicator and conduct their own analyses based on that. For example, in this section, the price reacted to the 50 level, which we see with 1 reaction, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. It reacted to our 50 level, but it failed to break through this level and eventually began to fall. Or in this section, our level 23 was our support level, which the price failed to break and moved up again. And with its next move, it was able to break this level down, which ultimately changed its role from our support level and changed from support to resistance, as we see here, with the price returning to level 20. It has encountered and attempted to break the base level once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and finally 8 times, and finally, with the 9th move, upwards, it was able to break the level upwards and establish itself above the base level. This indicator displays 4 main levels, including the 2-trip level, which is displayed in a pale green color, level 20, which is displayed in red, level 50, which is displayed in blue, and finally level 80, which is displayed in bright green, helps traders identify the sell-off in the settings section. In the input section, there are options available for us. In the first part, you can choose the display settings, including the theme or custom template for the indicator, which has 3 modes: light, dark, and custom. By selecting the light option, a light template will be applied to the chart. By selecting the dark option, a dark template will be applied to the chart. By selecting the custom option, you will keep your customized template and only apply the indicator to the chart. Here, when you apply the indicator, it will select the light team by default. The team that applied to my chart is in B. You can select the next section of indicator settings. By selecting the first nettle, you can see the 2 levels of the dosaf and the claw. By selecting the false nettle, the dosaf and claw levels will not be displayed for you. As is clear here, the dosaf and Scheuer claw levels were prepared for us in the next section. By toggling the second option, you can see the 20 and 80 levels. If you select the false option, the 20 and 80 levels will be removed from the chart, leaving only the 2 and 5 levels visible, provided the first option is also enabled. In the next section, you can choose the color for the 0 to 2 level, the color for the 50 level, the color for the 20 level, and finally, you can change the color for the 80 level in this section. Here, I'm selecting the dark template, and then I click Confirm. So here is the dark template running on my model, and you can see the different levels on my chart. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.